got this little lawnmower here. It's a Briggs Stratton 650 series engine. Bought it on Craigslist, kind of old. And I found a tune-up kit on Amazon for $16 with new carburetor, primer, spark plug, air filter, and some gasket and O-ring. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to try and replace all this. It'll be my first time. So first, we're just going to try and disassemble. So we got 1, 2, 3 screws that we're going to take off. Just take off these plastic pieces. And then another flathead screw over here. The air filter's right here. So we'll take that off first. So air filter off. And we got these 3 8mm bolts that we're going to take out. And the plastic pieces just came off with those screws as well. So yeah, 3 8mm. So we got that off. Now we're going to take some needle nose pliers. Pinch this, remove the gas hose. This is much easier to do with vice grips, as you can see. And then just pry the hose off and face it up to stop the gas from coming out. Just 2 more bolts, one here and one down here, both 10mm. Once you remove that, the I guess throttle cable just slides right out. It just slides right off right there. And then the other things we want to remove, this little O-ring. As far as the carburetor goes, the other thing you want to do is make sure you put on the new gasket. You can see my old one's kind of fucked up. And then spark plug, we just pull off the boot, and then we're going to remove this and put some dielectric grease on the new one. The boot off this spark plug, this is kind of annoying. It's not a regular 5/8 spark plug, so I just used my vice grips to loosen it. It actually was kind of loose, so that's not good. Yeah, and then I'm going to have to do the same thing, putting the old one in and trying to get it as tight as possible. And yeah, here's the old one. Oh, one last thing, you can replace this primer valve. So it's just got 2 clips on the sides that you can push in, and then we can pry this out. Reassembled everything, we'll prime it, and we'll see if it starts. Definitely running better.